All right, time to celebrate some Wednesday birthdays today, and we begin in Columbus with Leo Clark turning 6 years old today. And Leo's pictured there at his Aunt Kenzie's wedding. Very nice outfit he's got. Leo, happy birthday to you.
He's either spinning around that pole or looking like he's playing peekaboo. I love it. All right, happy birthday, Leo. And Gannon Harina celebrating birthday number 10 this year. And check out that catch. Wish I could see what the weight was on that. Gannon is in Frontenac.
We've also got Cassidy Borland turning 30 years old in Carthage today. Cassidy, a very happy birthday to you.
In Chanute, Debbie Hansen celebrating the big 6-0 today. Happy birthday, Debbie.
And we've got Stephanie Peternell turning 80 in Arma today. Stephanie, a very happy 80th birthday to you.
And Gary Kilgore celebrating birthday number 81 out in Chanute with love coming from the family.
And we've also got Judd Bailey celebrating a birthday in Girard. Judd, very happy birthday to you.
I'm loving that mustache. That's pretty cool. All right, happy birthday, Judd. Keep it up. And Chad and Ashley Pierce are celebrating their 15th anniversary. Congratulations to the Pierces out in Altoona.
And our birthday list continues with Sam Johnson celebrating a birthday in Columbus. And we've got Cheryl Gillette turning 66. This happy birthday message is from your husband, Bill. Cheryl, happy birthday to you.
All right. If you have a birthday or an anniversary, it's easy to send them to us. All you have to do is email them to us at birthdays@KOAMTV.com. Don't forget the S on that. Or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're at our website, you should take a moment to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. When you do that, you get some excellent deals from local businesses. In addition to that, you just get to be part of the birthday club. And how absolutely cool is that? So just go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com, and sign up for the KOAM Birthday